This bank financial management module A. First chapter is exchange rates and forex business. Forex market participants. The forex market participants are central banks, commercial banks, investment funds, forex brokers and corporations, etc. When balance of payment increases, home currency becomes stronger. Economic growth increases, imports increases, and home currency will become weaker. Expansionary fiscal policy, taxes decrease, and economic growth increase. So, if economic growth increase, the home currency becomes weaker. Capital moves from low yielding to high yielding countries. Exchange rate mechanism. Ready cash means settlement on the same day. Tom is settlement on the second day. Spot is settlement after Tom, that is from the third day. Forward is any day after spot. Forward rate equal to spot rate plus premium or minus discount. Direct and indirect code. In direct code, we take buy low, sell high. Direct, indirect, home currency is variable. Home currency is variable, that is example 1 USD 68.70. Here home currency is variable. Indirect code codes home currency is fixed. Example rupee 100 for 1.47 USD. We have given USD INR because 68.10/11, GBP USD 1.21/10, find GBP INR. Here we multiply numerator and denominator to get 82.40/08. Fixed versus floating rate. Floating from 1973 onwards, fixed by monetary authorities, floating rates for supply and demand. Bid and offer rate or buying and selling rate. Value date is date on which fund becomes actually effective. Arbitrage is continuous buying and selling of at different points of time. Dealers, funds position, currency position. Back office is for processing, dealing, reconciliation, etc. Mid office is for risk management. FEDI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, year 1958 came into existence. Rate quoted for TT is TT selling rate. For FEDI, all APs are members. Nostro, our account with you. Major risk. Operation risk, human errors, exchange risk, fluctuation of exchange risk, credit risk, settlement risk, failure of counterparty to before maturity of contract, settlement risk, future failure of counterparty due to terms of difference. Liquidity risk, potential liabilities to be drained at a faster rate than asset. Gap or interest rate risk, purchase and sale of gap or interest rate, that is purchase and sale at different rate. Market risk is due to adverse movement of market variables. 4 types of rate in forex sales and 6 types of rate in forex. Systematic risk is major bank falling. Country risk is counterparty situated in another country and is not able to perform its part of contract because of government regulation. This is also called sovereign risk. FEMA in year 1999. Swap transaction, buying and selling one currency against another for different settlement dates. RBI give license to ADs. Now there are 90 ADs. AP1, AP2, AP3. Now AP1 is AD. There are AD can do all forex operations. AP2 is full-fledged money changes. They can only buy and sell forex. AP3 is restricted money changes, only buy forex. Restricted money changes are also known as RMC. FEDI rules are therefore export-import bill transit period, crystallization of all forward contract have definite amount and definite date. Cancellation. Matured forward contract not picked up can be cancelled on the third working day at bank's opposite TT rate. All currencies quoted per unit of foreign currency INR, while JPY, Kenyan shilling, Indonesian rupiah are quoted as 100 units of foreign currency equal to INR. So these are the main points of first chapter.